Hi, my name is Brittany Vidic. This spring 2020 semester, I was lucky to be part of Innovation Space at Arizona State University. My team, Solar Devils, partnered with SolarSpell to help address their current problems. SolarSpell is an offline digital library used globally in schools that don't have access to Wi-Fi or electricity. Our project was to redesign SolarSpell to improve user experience as well as to meet SolarSpell's goals for scale. My team and I completed our project by providing the sponsors of SolarSpell with 2 new prototypes that could be mass-produced. These prototypes were modeled on Fusion 360 and are now in the 3D printing stages. We also ordered all the materials necessary to assemble the prototype once the shell is printed. We provided a new visual communication element to go with the device and determined what manufacturing processes and materials would be ideal for our prototypes. We drafted requests for quotes to send to manufacturers and finalized what suppliers to use for the customized solar panels. I contributed to my team initially by being the sole communicator to our sponsors and set up sponsor and team meetings. I helped in the brainstorming sessions by bringing a different perspective since my background is focused in engineering, sustainability, and biomimicry. Although I'm not a designer, I created a few initial sketches before we finalized which designs we wanted to move forward with. In terms of our final deliverables, Shirley and Sav took on the designs and models, and Joe and I took on the manufacturer list, materials, and video compilation. I contributed by buying all the materials and working with the solar panel manufacturers to customize and purchase a sample. I helped research materials for the shell, types of manufacturing processes and costs, and drafted RFQs on MFG, a manufacturing database. I wrote the script for our final video and of course helped with all of our key decisions and all of our deliverables. In Innovation Space, I learned different ways of thinking both from my professors and my teammates. I feel like I was encouraged to be more creative than I normally am in an engineering class. Our class brainstorming sessions were one of my favorite memories, specifically the day we started with bad ideas and turned them into something good. That day, my team and I came up with the most ideas we ever have because we weren't afraid to hold back. I also enjoyed doing the emoji papers and the star figures. I can't even remember the last time I was encouraged to use my hands and my head to create whatever came to mind. It felt so freeing. I also learned a lot from close collaboration with our professors, like how to form a proper problem statement and why it is so crucial. And of course I learned from my teammates on how different disciplines approach a problem. Being part of Innovation Space has brought me immense growth as an individual teammate, student, and engineer. This experience made me a better engineer because I got to address real-world problems, work on an interdisciplinary team, and be in an encouraging classroom environment. I've never had an experience like this before. I also got to do things that actually communicate with a solar panel manufacturer about a customized solar panel design and purchase that sample. That experience could only happen when addressing a real-world problem. Doing a mock-up of this is not nearly the same as actually doing it. I'm a better engineer now because I'm a better collaborator in teams. By working with other disciplines, I got to really understand how to find commonality between my teammates and learn how to articulate something engineering related in basic terms for them to understand, and vice versa, since I didn't have much knowledge in areas of design and business before this semester. The way that Innovation Space has encouraged me to think is something that will carry with me and I will implement in future projects. I know my amazing team and professors have made me a more open and well-rounded engineer. Thank you.